दोस्तों, जी भर के जी लो इन दिनों को। खूब घूमो, फोटोज खींचो, वीडियोस बनाओ और जितना बटोर सकते हो इन यादों को बटोरो।
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Little Long Journey by Sam and Jess. Once again I am back with something new, a visit to a cactus park, Panchkula. So, a visit to Panchkula is completely incomplete without making a trip to the National Cactus Park, which is located in Panchkula. This garden is situated in Sector 5. It's spread in 7 acres and it was established in 1987. You know, it is Asia's largest garden, which is devoted to rare and more than 3,500 species of cactus. And we are here in after taking a ticket. It was very nominal. It cost just 20 rupees per person, and look at those, all the cactus valley. Cactus lovers get attracted to this unique garden. Cactus show is also organized in the month of March, but we missed that because we visited there in the month of June. Actually, it's very convenient to visit there. It is located near the bus stand, and if you are going by your own vehicle, it is located on the road, easy to find. Basically, every year we visit Chandigarh almost 3 to 4 times, and this time we had a different idea of visiting Cactus Park, and here we show how we enjoyed the greenery and the peaceful atmosphere over there. Like this time we 3 friends visited together and we have a great fun. Even for the local people, they have walking paths, jogging and playing areas for the kids, and even for exercise, many exercise equipments were also available there. The Cactus Garden is more than just a garden. It's vibrant living museum dedicated to preservation and exhibition of cactus. It has fair collection of species, both rare and common. It offers unique peek into the landscape of the world right in the heart of Panchkula. It is a very short vlog. It's for those people who want to visit Chandigarh or Panchkula and want to see something different and what they want to enjoy. Here I have few travel tips. Please wear comfortable shoes, as you can see lot of walking is involved there, and be hydrated. Always carry water with you, as exploring the dry and aired garden sections can be dehydrated. And last, must check weather conditions. Visit carefully or in the afternoon. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next vlog.